Lyme disease is the most common tick-borne infection in Europe and North America. The disease is caused by bacteria from the complex Borrelia burgdorferi (SL). The transmission of the bacteria is made by the bite of ticks. Borrelia is a pleomorphic bacterium with a complex life cycle that comprises a multitude of forms, including corkscrew-shaped parent forms and cyst forms that like a cell wall, among others. The lack of bacterial wall makes it very difficult to detect by common imaging techniques, such as light microscopy, as well as by standard serological tests, since they trigger a different immunological response. As a result, these Borrelia infections are very difficult to diagnose and treat, so they persist in body over long time periods, causing chronic disease. Therefore, there is a crucial need to develop a sensitive tool for laboratory diagnosis of Borrelia burgdorferi, acute and chronic infections, to provide novel treatment options for patients suffering from their harmful infestations. HILYSENS II is based on a 2-year HILYSENS research and development project funded by the Research for Benefit of SMEs program of the European Commission's 7th Framework Program. HILYSENS II proposes demonstration activities for the prototype Lab-on-a-Chip, developed during the successful HILYSENS Research and Development Project. VIDA is a Portuguese ISO 9001-2008 certified biotech SME, established in 2001 and located in Caparica, Portugal. It accounts with 25 employees and a dedicated line of products and services for genetics and genomics. Its main R&D and commercialization interests are focused in the point-of-care diagnostics and diagnostics, mainly for Alzheimer, Lyme and cancer diseases. VIDA's sales territory is spread throughout Portugal, Spain, Brazil and Africa, including a client portfolio of over 20 clinical diagnostic laboratories and centers. In HILYSENS II, VIDA is the project coordinator and is responsible for the development of antigens and antibodies used in the demonstration of Lyme cards. VIDA is also developing an ELISA assay using the same antigens and antibodies from Lyme cards to be used as control assay of HILYSENS diagnostic platform. BCA is a medical institution located in Augsburg, Germany, for the treatment of tick-borne diseases, especially Lyme disease Borrelia, and co-infections. The center combines diagnosis, laboratory, therapy and rehabilitation under one roof to provide patients with a unique rehabilitation experience. BCA accounts with 9 experienced physicians in Lyme disease and treats patients for all parts of the world, including EU countries, Russia, USA and Canada. In HILYSENS II, BCA is responsible for providing control sera for the demonstration of HILYSENS diagnostic platform and its validation in clinical environments. Ultimately, with HILYSENS II, BCA will benefit from a new diagnostic tool for improved diagnosis of Lyme disease, with direct benefits for its patients. Microliquid is a Spanish SME spin-off from the Technological Research Center Ikerlan IK4, located in Arraste Mondragon, Spain. It is specialized in the development of microfluidic products and services in polymers and produces disposable microfluidic cartridges from plastics for the diagnostic, pharmaceutical, analytical, and medical industries. In HILYSENS II, Microliquid is responsible for the development and mass production of disposable Lyme cards that are used in the HILYSENS diagnostic platform. Microbioris is an Italian SME located at Filiglano, Isernia, Italy, that designs, develops, manufactures and markets biological devices for in vitro analysis, optical and robotic systems and software. Its founders are a group of experts in the field of in vitro diagnostics. In HILYSENS II, Microbioris is responsible for the development and production of the reader that enables the automatic analysis of the disposable Lyme cards. Ultimately, with HILYSENS II, Microbioris will extend its know-how in the development and validation of medical devices for in vitro diagnosis, which will help to further develop novel services and products for its clients. The University of Gothenburg is a university located in Sweden's second largest city, Gothenburg. In particular, the Department of Clinical Microbiology of the University of Gothenburg is an integrated part of the Clinical Microbiology Laboratory with over 200 employees located at Sahlgrenska University Hospital. This laboratory performs Lyme borreliosis serological tests for Western Sweden, which has one of the highest incidences of Lyme borreliosis in the country. The hospital is also the center for all Lyme neuroborreliosis diagnostics and treatment in West Sweden. Ultimately, with HILYSENS II, the Clinical Microbiology Laboratory from the University of Gothenburg will benefit from a new diagnostic tool for improved diagnosis of Lyme disease, with direct benefits for its patients. HILYSENS II, a project with public sponsoring for the benefit of the community. We thank the EU 7th Framework Programme for its grant, making it possible.